Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a couple of junk journals to show you. These are a small traveler's notebook sort of junk journal, and they are 8.5 inches tall by approximately about 5 inches wide. It is just one signature, and it is an Easter theme or spring theme. It's tied up with this pretty vintage gingham ribbon here. And it is also fabric covered. I have the fabric sewn to some scrapbook paper on the inside. There's lots of stitching in here. There's a pocket on the front that's made out of a paper, spring paper pack. And it has a couple of tags in it. There's this tag here that is a little tiny pocket, so this little tag will fit inside there, and then it fits in the top there. I have some fabric sewn on the side here in a little ruffle, and then I put some paper flowers on top in a little collage and did some stickling on the rose here and added some rhinestones. On the spine here I have this little charm that I made that is on a paper clip, and that can be removed. This is the back here. It's just the fabric, really cute rabbit fabric. So the inside cover is this polka dot paper here, and then there is a waterfall page, really cute bunny fabric, and then bunny paper, and then I have some lace sewn to the side there. There's this vintage book page here it's from a book page. It's a little tuck spot and some more fabric sewn in a ruffle there. Here is another little side pocket and places to put lots of pictures, and then on the side here the whole page is a pocket. Then there's some stained doily, little belly band tuck there. There's a tuck spot here. Here's the vintage sheet music that I reinforced with some fabric that is sewn on in the spine. And then on the other side, there's a little tuck in there and more fabric. Here's a belly band and with some ribbons sewn on the page. Another little belly band. Here's a cute little bunny pocket that's been sewn on some dyed ledger paper. Another page with a cute little bunny pocket with some lace that's been sewn onto this cute Easter egg paper. Here's another little image that was from a vintage book that is a pocket there with the Brer Rabbit. Here's another little side pocket that has some pom-pom trim, and then inside it has this altered tag it's a tag, and then I added a pocket that's sewn on, and I have some pom-pom trim on the bottom, and then this little tag that sticks inside there, and I have these tied up with ribbon and this fabric there. The next page is a little side tuck. Here's a white paper bag that I sewed on this vintage napkin, and there's a little journaling card in there. Here's another pocket page that has a silhouette bunny little journal card. Here's some paper that I dyed with a little belly band over here, a little flip up page there, Here's a pocket with a layaway tag that I just added some egg paper at the bottom and tied it up with some ribbon and twine. In the middle here is a book page from an Easter book that I found, or it was the Golden Egg vintage book that I found. Another tuck with another bunny. A belly band. Here's another pocket page. I added this piece of fabric here that is that cute little bunny. I sewed it to a piece of paper and then attached it to the end of the paper bag. Here's a tuck with the little bunny cut out that says Happy Easter. Another little pocket with just a little altered tag there. Graph paper. Here's some Monopoly money inside a tuck. Another pocket and belly band. Lots of places to stick memorabilia and pictures. This was from that Golden Egg vintage book. The other side of the sheet music, that's another pocket. Here's another tag that's an Easter egg that I cut with my Cricut, and I added some rhinestones there. Another little side tuck that I sewed on. The page from The Tale of Benjamin Button. And another pocket here. I just added some dyed paper. And then that is this last page here is bunny paper with some lace, and then that's the inside cover there. So that's that one. This one is really a lot similar. There's some pages that are a little bit different, but I'll just quickly flip through it. There's some different trims in here, like this pom-pom trim and a couple different papers, but for this, for the most part, it has a lot of the same pages and tags and things that I made. They're just in different spots. I kind of mixed them up a little bit, so each one would be a little bit different. It has different pages from the books. This one is a pocket, and I added some pom-pom trim. Super cute to use for your Easter pictures or just going into springtime. Actually, my waterfall page in the other book will have these tabs. I just forgot to put them on there. So the one I showed you in this book didn't have the tabs, and I'll put those on, and that will be in there. I did the same with the music, with the sheet music there to reinforce. This has a flip out that's kind of cute with a belly band of fabric. And then on the other side is this Benjamin Button page. Sorry, that was out of frame. And that's the last of that one. So, and then I also made these tags that I didn't get put in there. I made one for each. I die cutted the Easter egg out, and then I added it onto pink paper and then did some stickling on it so it's shiny. And then this one I just cut out some, this is a fabric piece here. So I just cut the bunny out of the fabric and added it to the tag, and then added some stickling on the nose and then on the flower. So each one of the books will have that, as well as all the stuff on the inside. And then I will add a few more things into a little goodie bag to go with it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. I will have these in my Etsy shop, so go ahead and follow the link down below to the listing. And I believe I will have these in the same listing. I'm not sure, but you'll find out when you go on over there. I haven't put them up yet, but they will be after this video goes up. So I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.